Hello traders, and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is June 12th, 2025, and we're doing an in-depth analysis of EURUSD, combining the latest news with detailed chart examination. First, let's quickly recap today's news. The US dollar is facing significant pressure due to weaker than expected US data, increasing bets on Federal Reserve rate cuts. This is driving EURUSD higher. Former President Trump criticized Fed Chair Powell, claiming he's behind on inflation and growth. However, it's unlikely this will immediately influence the Fed's decisions, but, in turn, initiating internal discussions. Stocks are ticking up, but the dollar has hit 2025 lows amid macro signals. Now, let's shift our focus to the daily chart. Looking at the EURUSD chart, we can see a clear uptrend developing. The recent price action shows a strong bullish momentum, aligning with the news of a potentially dovish Fed. We've seen a significant rise in price over the past few days. This is correlated with the dollar index briefly falling to a 3-year low recently, finding support around the July 2023 VPC and April low, indicating significant momentum. Zooming into the 1-hour chart, we can observe a more detailed view of the recent price movements. We see a consolidation pattern forming, suggesting a potential breakout soon. The support level to watch in the short term is around 1.1400, while resistance sits around 1.1510. Let's analyze the 15-minute chart to identify potential entry and exit points for short-term trades. We can see some choppy price action, indicating indecision in the market. However, the overall bias remains bullish as prices are holding above key moving averages. If the price breaks above 1.1510, we could see a move towards 1.17 or 1.18 handles, as some analysts have predicted. However, a break below 1.1400 could signal a potential reversal, with targets around 1.1350 or even lower. Overall, the market sentiment leans bullish in the short term due to the weaker dollar. The daily RSI confirms the move higher. However, long-term predictions are varied, some predicting US dollar to euro to fall to 0.85 by next year due to the US dollar being on the decline. Traders will need to consider a multitude of factors for their own analysis. To recap, key price levels to watch are 1.1400 as support and 1.1510 as resistance. A break above could lead to 1.17 to 1.18, while a break below could target 1.1350. Keep an eye on upcoming economic data releases and Fed statements, as they could significantly impact EURUSD. The likelihood of reaching 1.17 to 1.18 is moderate, reinforced by continued dollar weakness and positive Eurozone data. Conversely, a re-strengthening dollar due to hawkish Fed surprises could negate this. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts and happy trading.